Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about chapter 8 redox reactions. First of all, you know that what is redox? Redox is the term made up of two terms, reduction and oxidation. Means reduction and oxidation is collectively known as redox. Reduction and oxidation. What is reduction? Reduction is the addition of hydrogen or electropositive element or removal of oxygen or electronegative element. Any of the process takes place here, then it is called reduction. Addition of hydrogen or electropositive element, removal of oxygen or electronegative element is called reduction. Opposite to this means addition of oxygen or electronegative element or removal of hydrogen or electropositive element is called oxidation. Reduction and oxidation both takes place simultaneously, hence the reactions are called redox reactions. Means those reactions in which oxidation and reduction both process takes place simultaneously are called redox reactions. This is the definition of reduction and this one is about the oxidation. See here an example like ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. In this reaction, ZnO is converted to Zn and C is converted to CO. Here, ZnO is converted to Zn means by the loss of oxygen, oxygen is lost by this element. This loss of oxygen or removal of oxygen, loss or removal both are same. This is called what is reduction. This one is reduction means here reduction takes place. This carbon is changed into carbon monoxide CO means addition of oxygen, and this addition of oxygen is called oxidation. Means in this reaction both reduction and oxidation takes place, hence this is a type of redox reaction. See one more example. H2S plus Cl2 gives S plus 2HCl. In this reaction, H2S gets converted to S and Cl2 gets converted to HCl. In this reaction, loss of hydrogen takes place and this loss of hydrogen is called, removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Means H2S is oxidized to sulfur and this Cl2 is converted to, addition of hydrogen takes place, this is called reduction. Cl2 is converted to HCl, here reduction takes place. Means in this reaction also oxidation and reduction both takes place, hence it is also a type of redox reaction. Okay, this is about the redox reactions. Now I am going to teach you about the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. Electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. Electronic concept. According to electronic concept, loss of electron by an atom or ion or molecule is called oxidation. Oxidation is the loss of electron by an atom, ion or molecule. See here, like sodium, when loses electron, it becomes Na plus. K, when loses electron, becomes K plus. Ca, when loses 2 electrons, becomes Ca2 plus. Al loses 3 electrons and becomes 3 plus. Like this. Fe2 plus, when loses 1 more electron, it becomes Fe3 plus. These are the oxidation reactions. Opposite to this, reduction is the gain of electron by an atom or ion or molecule. Gain of electron by an atom, ion or molecule is called reduction. Like this, Cl plus electron becomes Cl minus. O plus 2 electron becomes O double minus. N plus 3 electron becomes N3 minus. These are the reduction reactions. Okay. This is the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. In this method, the loss of electron is called oxidation and gain of electron is called reduction. Okay. These are all about the reduction and oxidation, or you can say redox reactions. Okay. See here one more example, like Na, or take another example. Al plus O2 gives Al2O3. In this reaction, 4Al plus 3O2 to Al2O3. Here Al forms Al3 plus, O forms O double minus. Al is converted to Al3 plus, O is converted to O2 minus. Here what takes place? Al is converted to Al3 plus by loss of electron. This is called oxidation. And here O is converted to O2 minus. This is the gain of electron, means this one is reduction. This is oxidation and this one is reduction. In any reactions, in most of the reactions, oxidation and reduction both takes place simultaneously, means most of them are redox reactions. Okay. In my next lecture, I will continue this chapter. Thank you.